If you have begun to feel the menacing destruction of your peace, your security, your world, and have wondered what is going horribly wrong on all fronts on this planet, then you have certainly come to the right, unbiased source for your information. Welcome to the Center of Advancing Civilization, which is also referred to as CIAC. So welcome to CIAC. I am John D. Lazaro. I have shared your concern for the last 3 decades. In fact, I have consequently done something significant about it. I have researched for over 30 years and I've actually come up with a viable global solution for this planetary crisis. And that solution is called applied holism. Yes, in this context, we are indeed in the midst of a hijacking crisis on this planet. A chilling fact you will come to clearly realize at this website. As such, basically, you and I belong to a fundamental equation where 1% of humanity is criminally enslaving us, the remaining 99% of us, into economic enslavement. If you haven't realized this fact so far, then you will soon be made enlightened and made aware of it at CIAC. On the other hand, if you have already realized this fact, then you and I stand a fair chance of winning back our world, our peace, and our very survival on this planet by a wise gesture of us all unifying under one pro-life ideology at this specially created center called the Center for Advancing Civilization, CIAC. Actually, I am indeed very much a part of you, the 99% of humanity, who have been repeatedly cheated out of our freedom, peace, and prosperity on this planet by a criminal banking cartel, a criminally insane few, the 1% whose esteemed executive body member of the Bilderberg Group makes a public statement like this: control the oil and you control nations. Control food and you control the people. This is Henry Kissinger talking. Who does he think he is? Who is he talking about? You and me and our children and our grandchildren? Is he playing God? Are they playing God? This cartel is unbelievably evil, brilliant in a grotesque way, insatiably avaricious, meticulously well organized, and have a merciless agenda for depriving and destroying most of humanity. Does this sound like fiction to you? Well, pretty soon you will come to realize that it's a fact and absolutely true. I am here to show you how we, the 99% of humanity, can collectively arrest the operations of this criminal banking cartel by a very fundamental act of unifying as 99% of humanity and thereafter being able to move forward to construct a saner, safer, and sustainable future for ourselves and all living species on this planet using applied holism. Remember, I am one of you and will always remain one of you, a seriously concerned member of humanity. The origins of this website started out with a body of research 30 years ago, and the fruits of which have enabled me to produce a definitive book relevantly called A Handle on the Crisis. Uniquely, and in very simple terms, this book holds within its enlightening pages a crucial discovery, which is a new leadership paradigm, as it were. Do read it. In fact, diligently study it, as we desperately need competent and committed leaders, and certainly not criminals and psychopaths leading us, as is the unfortunate case today, and has been the same right through the pages of history. In fact, consciously read this book from cover to cover, as it is designed to save humanity from its impending mass extinction that we are all being led towards, like lambs to an ignominious slaughter. Trust me, for that is precisely where we, humanity, are being led towards by this measly 1% criminal banking cartel called the Zionist Illuminati. They are humanity's singular most vile and insane enemy. History has never thrown such an insane bunch at us. And as of now, ironically, they control everything. Because we, the 99% of humanity, are not united in a common life-friendly symbiotic ideology that stresses on the awareness that we are all humanity first, and then nations, religions, races, and genders. Right through the pages of history, such measly pockets of centralized corrupt power have constantly enslaved, divided, and mercilessly ruled humanity. Us, the astonishingly superior number of 99% of humanity. Just think about this ridiculous situation. When in fact, we have the overwhelming democratic numbers and therefore the right to stand up for our majority's welfare and survival on this planet. Alas, this apparently is only possible if we unite across nationality, religion, race, and gender, and have the right caliber of trained leadership to replace these criminals. It's precisely in this context that I've designed SEAC to offer all humanity a common platform from which we can unite and move on to victory. An unprecedented victory for humanity and all life on this planet.